Well, that dang insulated thermos is hard to clean. And so I took it apart and we're going to clean the bottle on this thing. If you don't do it, you get scum and water and everything in here. So I took it apart and I'm going to clean it real good and I'll put it back together. Here's the goo that was on the inside of the lid. Okay, here's the carafe ready to go back together. That's the bottom holder. That's the vacuum bottle right there. That's the top of the carafe, and the plug is out. There's the bottom tension ring. There's the bottom screw. There's the top seal. There's the top plug. And that's the way you have to sit it so it'll drain and dry.